May ginagawa ba akong rap song? Yes, may ginagawa akong rap song for the group. And yung beat, pero ano siya eh. Sa next live performance namin, siguro gagawin namin. Kasi wala siyang beat talaga. Hingi lang ako ng beat kila JL or K-Nate. Gagawin lang sila. Give me a beat. Gagawin lang ako sa kanila. Kasi yung you guys really look cool sa MV. Salamat. If bago kayo dito sa akin live stream, guys, meron kaming bagong music video na lumabas na. So, make sure to watch it. Search nyo lang BGYO All These Ladies music video. Grabe na eye bags ko, man. I need sleep, bro. Damn. There you go. Yes, Mickey, give me some beat. Pretty MJ, see you tomorrow sa Pretty MJ. See you tomorrow sa Tacloban. Magkita-kita tayo doon. And masaya ako na makakapunta ka bukas sa aming performance. Oh, hi Mickey, are you genuinely happy? Of course I'm genuinely happy. Lahat po ng songs niya always stream. Laika, you're the GOAT! Thank you for always, to everyone who's always streaming our songs. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. And so fast, we are now at 100,000 plays. Now all these ladies on Spotify. You guys know who you are. Tagalog, di ba? Sabi. Meron na tayong 100,000 pindot sa bago naming kantang All These Ladies. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakikinig. Pataas pa ng pataas yan. Sabi ni Max, kayo na naman top artist ko. Ay, grabe naman, Max. Salamat, Max. Yep, see you sa UP sa 28. First time daw kami makikita ni Kel VG. See you sa 28. See you. Headlock daw. Hindi pwede. Blue lock lang pwede. Yes, kakantayin namin ang new song namin tomorrow. So, yes, kakantayin namin ang bagong kanta namin bukas sa Tacloban. So, makita-kita tayo bukas sa Tacloban sa RTR Plaza, I think. 7. What is 7 in Tagalog? 7 ng gabi bukas. No. Spanish ata yun. Spanish. Siete? Huh? 1 inch. Google. How long will my roots grow out after a month? What do you mean, bro? This is my hair. I'm not wearing wig. How do I take care of my hair? I don't take care of my hair. It's all dried up. Of course it's dead. Maupay na patron Tacloban. What does that mean, hotdog? Oh, makikita daw kami sa UK, sabi ni Self Aces. See you sa UK, guys. Oh! Wala ko. Nasaan laing ko? Oh yeah, I haven't eaten laing in a while. So, baka hanap ako ng laing mamaya. Happy birthday, Miker. Happy birthday sa'yo. Birthday daw niya ngayon. What time kami mag-perform sa DS on Saturday? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Ang bilis na ng comments. Sabi ni Mona, "Zup bro, zup man." Balik na daw kami Baguio, sabi ni Kath. I wanna go back. I wanna go back to Baguio. Last time, kailan kami last nag Baguio? Sana makabalik kami. Solid yung crowd sa Baguio. Daming tao that time when we performed. So, shout out sa lahat ng kapamilya sa Baguio. Solid kayo last time we went there. Sobrang solid. Levy, thank you for the Rosa and the Love You sticker. Thank you for the community sticker as well. I don't take meds. The meds take me. Sabi ni Mika, see you in my dreams na lang talaga. Bibisita ba ako mamaya? Kumain na ba kayo, by the way? Kumain na ba kayo? Make sure, ayoko nagugutom kayo, guys. Kumain kayo on time. Well, technically it's still 8. So may 9 minutes pa kayo before dinner ends. I think. Right? 7 to 8 ang dinner. 6, 8. Kumain na kayo, guys, kasi hindi pa kayo kumakain. Kumain na kayo. And drink your water. Hydrate. Nagkaon ko na, love. Ay, hindi. Nagkaon ka na, love. Stream ATL, tama. Sabi ni Tin. 10 PM daw nagde-dinner si Cielo. Ay. Diet ba yan? Diet? Part of your diet? Mickey. It's called All These Ladies. So make sure to listen to it. Check it out on all music streaming platforms, and the music video is also out now. Just search BGYO. All These Ladies. If hindi ako bagyo, ano ang gusto mo i-pursue? I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't know. Palakayin pa natin. Yan. Egyo, no. You want me to do Egyo? No chance. No chance. Better luck next life. Ulam idea daw. Ulam idea. Chow pan and sweet and sour fish. Haluan mo ng siopaw. Perhaps. Bago kayo dito, we also released sakit sa mata. Bago kayo dito. No, too much. No. Nope. There. Bago kayo dito, may bagong music kami. BGYO, check it out. What does BGYO mean? What does BGYO mean? Let's ask Google. The name BGYO is an acronym of Becoming the Change, Going Further, You and I, Originally Filipino. There you go. Thanks, Google. My favorite movie. Favorite movie is I like a lot. Dune 1, Dune 2, Star Wars 1, Episode 1, 2, and 3. What else? Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Inglorious Vast. I can't say it, but what else? What else?